Friends, good morning. Previously, we have seen how to draw the graph of histogram. So, to draw the graph of histogram, so take the class intervals on x-axis and the corresponding frequencies on y-axis and draw all the adjacent rectangles. And to locate the value of mode, select the rectangle whose height is maximum. So draw these 2 points, connect this point with this and this point with the corresponding previous class. By taking this point of intersection, draw a vertical line and locate the value of mode. So in this way, we can get the value of mode from histogram. Today, we will discuss about ogive curves. There are two types of ogive curves. One is less than ogive curves and second one is greater than ogive curve. Friends, it should be noted when we are talking about ogive curves, we are talking about cumulative frequencies. And you know that cumulative frequencies are the addition of frequencies. Whether we are adding the frequencies from top to bottom or from bottom to top, this depends on the ogive curves. In less than ogive curve, we are adding frequencies from top to bottom. See in this case. So the first class frequency is 5, the second class frequency is 18. So 5 is added into 18. So that comes to be 23. 23 plus 28, that is 51. 51 plus 37, 88 likewise. If we add the frequencies from top to bottom, that is called as less than cumulative frequencies. And in more than cumulative frequencies, we are adding the frequencies from bottom to top. See in this case. So the last class frequency is 5. So this 5 is taken as it is in the first class. The value 5 is added to 28. So the addition is 33. So 33 plus 42, the addition is 75. So 75 plus 18, the addition is 93. So in this way, we are adding from bottom to top. So this way of addition is called as more than cumulative frequencies. So these are the two types of ogive curves. So one is less than ogive curve and another one is greater than ogive curve. For less than ogive curve, we use less than cumulative frequency. And for greater than ogive curve, we use greater than or more than cumulative frequency. So let us take an example. So in this example, we are given ages in years, the number of males in the particular age group, and we are adding these from top to bottom. So this is LCF. LCF means less than cumulative frequencies. So the question arises how to draw the graph of ogive curves, particularly less than ogive curve. So friends, see, this is the graph of less than ogive curve. So this is a S-shaped figure. So I will explain you how to draw the graph of ogive curve. So for that purpose, go through these steps. So first, calculate less than cumulative frequency. Secondly, plot the lower limit versus less than cumulative frequency. So all the lower limits are taken on x-axis and the cumulative frequencies. So these are less than cumulative frequencies on y-axis. Connect all dots by smooth curve. So that means if you see this, take 18 on x-axis and 5 on y-axis. The next point is 20. So 20, this is 23. Next is 22. Lower limit is plotted against less than cumulative frequency. If you plot this, so take the lower limit. See, this is 18, 20, 22, 24. So all these are the lower limits and lower limits are taken on x-axis. The corresponding frequencies are taken on y-axis. And see, these are the points. So we are visualizing these points. And all these points are connected by a smooth curve. So connect all dots by smooth curve. We will get a less than ogive curve graph. See, this is the graph of less than ogive curve. Use of less than ogive curve or more than ogive curve is to locate the value of median. Then how to locate the value of median? For that purpose, we need to calculate the value of n by 2. N is the total number of frequencies. Total number of frequency is nothing but the last frequency. So we are adding these frequencies. So if you add this, if you make the total of this comes to be 134. So that we have taken into the last class frequency, 134. 134 should be divided by 2. So that is equal to 67. So mark this point 67 on y-axis. See, this is the point on y-axis. Draw a straight line which meets to the less than cumulative frequency curve. So this is LCF. So this is nothing but less than ogive curve. So draw this point. This is the point n by 2. So extend this point up to the LOC and take the point. So locate this point and draw a vertical line on x-axis. So if you draw a vertical line on x-axis, this x-axis, read the point on x-axis, that will give the value of median. So in this case, the value of median is 24.8648. In this way, by using LOC, we can locate the value of median. The procedure is very simple. Calculate the value of n by 2. So this value is taken on y-axis. So from this point, draw a horizontal line which meets the LOC, and from again this point where the horizontal line meets the LOC, so from that point draw a vertical line on x-axis and read the point on x-axis, that will give us the value of median. So friends, today we will stop here and continue in the next session about greater than or more than ogive curve. Till then, goodbye.